Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to bookmark post on X app. So if you also want to bookmark post on X app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So bookmarking the post on X app is actually very simple. For that, first of all, what you have to do is launch up an X application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you can see over here, you'll be led to the home interface. In this interface, you'll be able to see several posts. So in order to bookmark a post, first of all, what you have to do is navigate to the post you want to save. For example, I want to save this post that you can see right over here. Now under that post, you'll be able to find several icons like comments, likes, etc. Right over here, you'll be able to find the share icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to find several sharing options over here. You'll be able to share this post on various platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, messages, etc. Right over here, you'll be able to find the options for copy link, bookmark, share via. All you have to do is tap on the second option, bookmark. Now after that, you can see over here the post will be bookmarked. Or there's also another way of bookmarking the post. For that, what you have to do is tap on this bookmark icon that you can see right over here on your screen. After that, you can see over here the post will be bookmarked. So that is how you bookmark post on X app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.